Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's say you have 10 minutes in your day and you need to get some cleaning done. What are some things that you would do? I have a list of 10 things that you could choose from to get done in 10 minutes that are gonna make a significant impact on the way your house looks. It's also the fourth installment in the Out with the Old, In with the New collaboration hosted by Penny at Penny's Lifestyle Living. I will have her channel linked below, as well as the other co-hosts that are taking part in the collaboration. Make sure that after you finish this video that you go check them out, check out their channels, and check out the playlist, and make sure when you do go over there that you tell each of them that I sent you. Now, let's go ahead and start the list of 10 things you can do to get your house clean. Number one on the list is to empty your dishwasher. Now, it's just me and my husband at home for the most part. I have a son that still lives at home, but he's not home a lot, so he doesn't eat at home a lot. So I don't have to run my dishwasher every day. But if you do, if you empty your dishwasher in the morning, then you can go the whole day, and as you use dishes, you can just put them in the dishwasher, and that helps keep your kitchen clean. Number two is to wipe down your coffee pot. Now, I know this may seem like something that shouldn't have to be mentioned, but when you're in a rush in the morning and you're in a hurry to get out the door, you don't think about wiping down your coffee pot. So inevitably, the splashes tend to build up. So it's a good idea to wipe your coffee pot down and the area around the coffee pot when you have an extra minute or two. Number three on the list is to grab a Walmart bag or Dollar Tree bag and go around your house and find things, just little pieces of trash that need to be picked up here and there, clothing tags, random receipts. Pick those up, put them in the trash can, and you will be surprised at how many little pieces of trash are laying around your house just on a random day. So let's get those pieces of trash picked up and thrown away. Now, number four may seem like more of a deep cleaning kind of thing to do, but when you think about it, after you empty your washing machine out, grab some Clorox wipes and just wipe around the rims of the drum, the inside of the top panel. Just rinse all that down, and if you have some extra time or you don't have laundry, run your washing machine through a cleaning cycle, and you can buy these little cleaning packets at Walmart or Target. I think you might even be able to find them at Dollar Tree, but get the inside of your washing machine cleaned out as well. For number five, I have fold blankets and straighten your cushions on your sofa. It's really kind of just about straightening up and freshening up your family room. If you have any laundry you've been folding, put it away. Just put any throw pillows that you have on your sofa, put them up neatly, put the blankets away, but just a basic straightening up of your family room. Number six, vacuum a rug or a room. If you don't have time to vacuum the whole house, then pick a room, spend just a couple of minutes running a vacuum over the carpet or over a rug or even the hardwood floors. Number seven is to clean your stove. Now, this is something that you typically do after every meal, but sometimes you just need to get in the nooks and crannies, get on the backsplash, get behind the stove knobs, but just give your stove a good cleaning. After I clean my stove and get all the grease and whatnot off, I always go back over it one more time with a microfiber cloth just to get it streak free. Number 8 is to give your kitchen sink, or bathroom sinks for that matter, a good deep cleaning. Use a very good cleanser, disinfectant, and just give the sinks a good scrub, and nothing looks better than a nice and shiny sink. Also, if you have little grates in your sink like I have, give those a good cleaning too. You would be surprised at how they build up dirt as well. Number 9 is to clean out your microwave. This particular day, I happened to be heating some chili in the microwave and I didn't use a cover, and wouldn't you know, it started just popping and splashing everywhere. So I had a huge mess to clean up. But not only cleaning the bottoms and the sides of your microwave, but also make sure you clean that little plate as well. But once you get it nice and clean, it just feels so good and it looks so good. And number 10 is just to iron a shirt or two. If you have shirts or pants that you have piled up that need to be ironed, instead of taking a whole day to do it, just pick 1 or 2 for that day and just iron them, hang them up or fold them, and by the time the end of the week comes, you've done, 5 to 10 shirts out of your laundry pile. All right, now I know that some of these things you're gonna say, I can't do all of this in 10 minutes, and that's okay. This is just a list of things that you could choose from, things that make a significant difference in keeping your house clean. If you do even just 1 or 2 of these every single day, you're gonna be able to stay on top of keeping your house clean, and that just makes you feel less stressed. And that's what it's all about, right? Enjoying being at home, feeling stress-free while you're in your home. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you like home decor, home organization with a little bit of cleaning and decluttering, as well as meal ideas and shopping hauls, then I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family. Make sure that you click the subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And everybody, give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. Also, make sure that if this is something you love and if you know someone else who needs this kind of motivation, then share this video with them. Let's all help each other out to have a less stressed home. Make sure to check out the playlist, check out Penny's video, and if you need more cleaning and organizing motivation, then make sure to click the box you see on the screen now, and I will see you next time. Bye.